Hey everyone, so welcome to this unboxing video of the B450 Gaming Plus motherboard from MSI. So taking a look at the underside or the backside of the box. Oops, sorry about that. So let's proceed to open the box up and see what is included aside from the motherboard. So here's the motherboard itself, as usual, packed in anti-static plastic bag. Let's put it aside first. Let's see what's underneath. Okay, so over here, first we have this, I guess, MSI gaming pamphlet. Then we have the installation DVD, as well as the MSI Redragon sticker. And we have this thank you pamphlet or leaflet from MSI. And of course the installation or instruction manual. This quick installation guide, along as this paper that contains the case stand of reminder. Next we have this IO shield or IO cover, which I particularly like because it's red and black along with the Dragon logo. And we have a couple of SATA data cables. Last but not least is the M.2 screw. So that is all of it for the contents of this motherboard package. So let's proceed to take out the motherboard itself from the anti-static bag. You can see the PCB itself is black with red accents for the RAM slots and PCIe slots. The VRM themselves are also in red and black. So that is it, guys, for this unboxing video. Please do click on the like button if you like this content, and please do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.